on the live stream, it goes beep beep. That's when I start the big camera. So this is pretty early in the morning. I think that's about 11 o'clock on Sunday morning. It's coming in, let's go down. You can see flag over there. So we have a nice breeze way back. I would guess that's 8 to 10 miles an hour. Pontoon boats over there at the rentals. Fueling up on that larger vessel. Watch these folks. Lexi Martin. Hi, Lexi Martin. So I don't know how to operate the live chat. See something there, I'll say, let's see. Just hi. No, nothing happened. Thanks for watching, Lexi. Oh, we got these cute little boats here. Here you go. Motorcycle. That comes from the days where the motors were smoky and loud. You can hear it. Yeah. What's the difference to this over here? Oh dear, what happened? I'm not sure what it did. Lexi, I touched your message and it wanted me to report you or remove you. I hope you're still here. I didn't mean to report or remove you. I missed that. Pulled out no drama. Sometimes these larger vessels, we have trouble pulling out because this is a bit of a slippery ramp here.